Hi, today let's make tasty mutton chops fry recipe. It's a lovely recipe. If you're a mutton lover and you like some mutton starter, definitely you have to try this. First, you need to take mutton chops like this. It needs to be cleaned and washed. Then we need to cook it. So you need to transfer the clean and washed mutton chops to the cooker. Then let's add in some sliced onions. This gives a great flavor to the mutton chops. Next, I'm adding in some green chilies. If you like it more spicy, you can increase the green chilies as well. Next, I'm adding in some ginger garlic paste. Then what I'm doing is next I'm adding in some salt to taste. Add in water as well for cooking the mutton. Then I forgot to add turmeric powder initially, so you can add it now. And then what you need to do is give it a good mix and then cook it at least till 90%. Now while our mutton is cooking, let's make a tasty marinade mix. Here I've added in salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder. Next I'm adding in some kasuri methi powder crushed. Next I'm adding in some lemon juice, and then I'll be adding in some gram flour for binding. Then you can add in tandoori masala, any brand which you have at home. Next I'm adding in some curd or yogurt and then give it a good mix. So our paste is ready. Next here our mutton is ready, which is 90% cooked. Let's marinate it. It doesn't take long time and you don't have to marinate it for long. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. And then slowly start frying, deep fry it in a pan. So please see to that when you fry the mutton chops, keep it on medium flame, otherwise it will tend to burn because the mutton is already cooked. Once you deep fry it, just wait for 2 minutes and then start flipping and cooking both the sides, and your tasty mutton chops fry is ready. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Please do try this recipe. Please do comment below and let me know your feedback. This is a lovely recipe and a must try. As I always say, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.